Насколько мне известно, сегодня...
By now we all know that Russia claims to have made the world's first COVID-19 vaccine. To show confidence in this, Russian President Putin said that even one of his daughters took it. तो हमें finally वो सुनने को मिल गया जिसका हमें बेसब्री से इंतजार था. But does that mean that we have a vaccine against COVID-19? क्या कोरोना का गेम खत्म? Wait a minute. As soon as this vaccine was announced, it attracted a lot of criticism, especially from the Western countries and the experts. Some people called it a political statement by Russia, and others just outrightly dismissed these claims. So what are the controversies surrounding this Russian vaccine? Why many people find it too good to be true? Let's find out. This vaccine is being called Sputnik 5 and it is being developed by Gamaleya Institute, Moscow. This is made from adenovirus, which is harmless cold virus, and it has a coronavirus gene. The same technique is being used by Oxford University in AstraZeneca's vaccine. The biggest controversy surrounding this vaccine is the lack of proper testing. अगर मैं आपको easy language में समझाऊं तो किसी भी vaccine development में बहुत सारे phases होते हैं development के. After animal testing, human trials are basically conducted in 3 phases. In phase 1 and 2, few volunteers are given the shot to understand whether the vaccine works or not, or to see any major side effects. In phase 1, a few dozen people get the vaccine, and in phase 2, hundreds of people get this shot. But the most important phase is phase 3 of trials, in which thousands of volunteers take part. इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि वैक्सीन एक्चुअली में काम करती है भी या नहीं है और ये कितनी सेफ है. But before announcing the Russian vaccine, no phase 3 trials were conducted. तो जब phase 3 trials ही नहीं हुए तो उसकी सेफ्टी और एफिकेसी को कैसे एस्टैब्लिश कर सकते हैं? The Russian Health Ministry has approved the vaccine even before conducting the phase 3 trials. These trials are expected to begin in some time, लेकिन इसका भी कोई clear blueprint नहीं है. Vaccine once approved is given to millions of people. So without even conducting phase 3 trials, we cannot estimate any side effects related to it. तो अगर छोटा सा भी side effect other than mild fever बहुत सारे लोगों को एक टाइम पे होता है तो इसके consequences बहुत disastrous हो सकते हैं. At the same time, very little is known about phase 1 and 2 trials of this vaccine candidate. Only a few people were given this vaccine and no scientific data has been published yet. यानी कि एक और बहुत बड़ा झोल. If we go to Sputnik 5 vaccine website, we read this. Phase 3 clinical trials involving more than 2,000 people in Russia, a number of Middle Eastern countries and Latin American countries will start on August 12th. यानी आज. Now if we compare it with Oxford vaccine candidate or Moderna's candidate, roughly 30,000 people are taking part in each of these trials. कहने का मतलब ये है कि जितना बड़ा sample size होगा उतना ही इस पे ज्यादा clarity होगी. We can't say whether this vaccine works or not. The thing is that we simply do not have the data. Experts need data to analyze and understand the efficacy of the vaccine candidate. It might or might not work. If this vaccine fails, it can cause a great harm to the scientific community. We have seen how many groups, especially in the Western countries, are running an anti-vaccine campaign. एक छोटी सी गलती इस कैंपेन को मौका दे सकती है फेक न्यूज फैलाने का. Russia hopes to begin mass vaccination in the next few months, and vaccination of many frontline workers will be done very soon. We all want the vaccine against coronavirus. We all want to end this pandemic which has infected over 2 crore people and has killed close to 7,50,000 people. But this can be achieved only with science and patience. That's all for now. If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.